morning. Oh my god. So, I wake up and I literally bolt out of bed because I had an appointment at my employment agency this morning at 10:30. I was like, crap, it's like 20 past 5. I'm like, I've got to get up, just got to go. So I got dressed, ran out the door, spent, I don't know, like 10, maybe like, yeah, like 5-10 minutes driving around trying to find a parking spot until I finally found one. I had to park across the street from Woolies. It was ridiculous. And I was only in there for not even 2 seconds, and it's now 10:52. Oh boy. Sorry, I'm just out of breath. Anyways, so yeah, did that. And now I'm gonna go home and so I catch my breath. It's so hot. Anyway, I'm just gonna go home and make myself some breakfast because I'm hungry. So I'll see you guys at home. I'm gonna get out of town because it's so busy. It's like really busy today, but it is a nice day, which is nice. That's the church. I'm in the parking lot across from the church. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's a nice day. So that's nice. Anyway, I'll see you guys at home. Bye. Car. I am off to go meet up with my nan. I'm going to get some lunch and I'm going to buy my nephew Eli a birthday present because his birthday is next week and he turns 5. 5! How did that happen? Man, kids grow up so quick, you guys. They really do. Yeah, he's going to be 5. I don't know how that happened. It's really crazy. Anyways, so I'm going to get him some Lego and I've got some ideas because Big W has their ginormous toy sale, which, by the way, ends on the 10th. So it ends next Wednesday. Yeah, so this is what I do for my Christmas shopping, guys. When Big W has their big toy sale, you can lay-by up until Christmas. So this is what I do. I go get the kids' presents, lay-by them until Christmas, and then they're just done. And I just get everyone else's Christmas presents. So if you haven't done it already, their toy sale ends on the 10th of July, which is a Wednesday. So you've got a bit of time if any of you guys haven't done your Christmas shopping yet or have kids or any birthdays coming up. I recommend getting up the Big W toy sales. They're good. They're really good. Plus you can lay-by up until Christmas, which is really good. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Alright, plug my phone in. Alright, I'm gonna go pick up my nan, turn my car on, and head off. Alright. There we go. Alright guys, I will see you guys at Big W. Bye! Hi guys! So, I got a package today. I got my Australis order. I'll just show you guys what I got. Alright, so I got some stuff. They had a sale on, so you could get everything for like $3. So yeah. So I got this Australis Mixology lip palette. I got a K-pop illuminating cushion. I got some brushes, which I can't wait to use. I got I think this is a blush brush. Yep, a blush brush and a powder brush. I got a highlighter. I'll do some swatches and stuff, you guys. I got a illuminating under eye concealer. I got 2 of those, one in banana. So I got like 2 of these. And I don't know what shade this one's in. This one's in, I have no idea. I'll have to have a look. And I got some lip liner. is. So I got one lip liner in, I don't know if you can see, it's called Sweet Cheeks. Sweet Cheeks. This is Sweet Cheeks. And just take this off. So I got Sweet Cheeks. What else? What's this one? Bewitched. That's this shade. Then I got, what else did I get? Heartbreaker. So I got some nudes. They're the lip liners. I'm just gonna put my glasses back on. Okay. Yes, so they're the lip liners, and then I got a holographic. This is a holographic lip gloss. This is Mermaid Dreams. Okay, so that's what Venus. Alright, that must be the. Yep, so yeah. How cool is that? I love lip gloss. So yeah, that's what I got. So all this was on sale. So they had like a $3 sale. I think it's over. Yeah, it's done. That sale end. I think that sale ended a couple of days ago. But yeah, I'm so glad because this was just a complete random impulse, to be completely honest. Like I was just browsing on Australis to see what, if they had anything, and I saw a whole bunch of stuff. So actually, I need to put you guys somewhere. I want to turn on my fairy lights because I don't have my fairy lights on. Yes, I still have my fairy lights up. I never took them down from Christmas. Nope, I left them up. I did. And I will be decorating my room for Christmas probably maybe 1st of November. Like the first weekend. Like I'll do it like that weekend in November. I'll do that. Alright, let's just grab it. Okay, let's plug this in. There we go. Get it to the right setting. Now, bingo. And if you can hear that noise, it's the washing machine. My sister's doing laundry at the moment. So yeah, I'm excited. And I'm also going to be buying some more makeup. I'm going to get the Jeffree Star beauty sponges, his collab with Morphe. Because Morphe has got a sale going on for 4th of July. And it ends in 3 days. They've got like on the Morphe website, they've got a countdown from when their sale ends. And it ends in 3 days. So yeah, I'm excited. And I will say, also on a totally different subject, the shipping of this wasn't that bad actually. This was my first time ordering from Australis online. And yeah, it was really cool. So let me just put you guys down on top of my laptop. Okay, let's see. I want to do some swatches. Okay. Oh, the rubbish in the box because that's going to go in the bin. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. This is Highlight Illuminating Strobe Powder. Okay, let's do a swatch. Oh, that's nice. It's subtle, but it's nice actually. Yeah, that's really nice. Nice little subtle highlight. I don't mind the blinding highlights, but I do like nice subtle highlights. That's really pretty. Alright, let's check out this K-pop. So this is K-pop X Australis. So they K-pop collabed with Australis, which was pretty cool. Alright, I remember seeing these. There we go. Alright. Oh, how cute! How cute is that? A little sponge applicator. Okay. Remove the seal before using. Close the cap tightly after using. Okay, can I get this off? Come on. There we go. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Ooh, that's nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really pretty. And look at the packaging. Oh, yeah, make sure that's closed. Look at the packaging. That is so cute. I like that. I like how it's got a mirror too. That's really cute. Oh, there we go. Just have to make sure the lid is on properly. There we go. Alright, let's have a look at these. Actually, I'm going to have a look at the brushes. I will say it is hard to open like lip liners and stuff when you got nails on. It really is hard. Oh, by the way, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. They need to get filled right away. I was going to do it today, but I'm too tired. And plus, I got to do the food shopping. I got to do a top up of food shopping today because the kids are on holidays, school holidays. So they're here with us for a week, and then they go to their dad's for another week, and then they're back at school. Ugh. Come on. Ah! Got it. Ooh, these are soft. I've never used any of the Australis brushes. This is number 105. So that's the brush. So yeah, this is their brush. It's really cool. And this brush, let's say the number. Doesn't say on the package. This says get cheeky. Alright, I do like the packaging though, it's really cute. Alright, let's get the scissors. Alright. Come on. Alright. Ooh, that's nice. This will be a nice little blush brush, I think, or maybe even for bronzer. This is the 106 brush. So yeah, that's really cute. It's nice and soft. I'll definitely have fun with those. Alright, let's have a look at these lip liners. Okay. My only suck thing is this is going to take me forever to undo. And because I've got nails on. Oh boy. Downside of having nails. You can't get lip liners open. Ah! Bingo! That worked? Okay. Let's try this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, oops. This is Sweet Cheeks. It's right there. That's Sweet Cheeks. It's really nice. Alright. Hey guys, sorry about that. My camera turned off. I don't know when it did, but yeah. So I'm going to keep the Australis Bright Eyes Illuminating Under Eye Concealer. This one is the pink one. So I'm going to keep this one. And I'm going to give my sister the banana one because look at that. The banana one's too yellow. That's way too yellow for me. This one is a salmony, like pinky color. So that's perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. I can put that on under my concealer. But yeah, this one's perfect for me. So I'm going to keep that. Give this to my sister. And yeah. So yeah. See if she wants that. Alright, let's try the lip gloss. Alright. Come on. There we go. Oh, this is going to be nice. Never used holographic lip gloss before. This should be interesting. Oh! Oh, that is pretty! I don't know if you can see right there. That over top of like a lipstick would be beautiful. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see, but here we go. There, right there. How cool is that? So these are all the swatches. So yeah, now I'm going to open up. I'm going to open the Mixology lip palette. This one I was interested to get, but I wanted to wait for it to come on sale. Glad I did. They had a huge sale. It was like I said, $3 on, like, and I'm not kidding, $3 on selective items that they had, that they were, like, I guess, clearing out off their website, which was really good. I had fun, as you can see. Alright. This is nice. Oh, cool. Comes with a little spatula and a brush. Oh, I can have fun with this. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. So here are the colours. We've got Blooming Mary, Sangrita, Cosmo, Da Cutie, Camp Ari, Gin and Me, Espresso Martini, Mix on the Beach, Berry Spritz, and Martini. So yeah, these are that's what the shades on the back are. And yeah, see? How cool is that? And then, oh yeah, that's all the colours. Cool. I like the packaging now. Look at that. It's really pretty. So that was my little unboxing haul. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go put this stuff in the bin / recycle. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And I'm just gonna chill and watch some TV. Alright, well, that's all done. And I'm also going to go see if my sister wants this. Like I said, it's way too yellow for me, but the pink one is perfect. Absolutely perfect for me. Alright, I think that's all the plastic off my bed. Oh, wait, no. Still a bit more. Anyways, it is currently 4:05 in the afternoon. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.